Hi guys, thanks for joining me. My name's Daniel, and in this video I'll be showing you how easy it is to get up and running with Zen Server via Amazon's marketplace. With Zen Server on Amazon, you'll get a PHP production environment which includes a highly reliable PHP stack, application monitoring, and a set of diagnostic tools, and all this with Amazon's networking and security configurations and pay-as-you-go pricing. And using Amazon's CloudFormation, you can effortlessly set up and manage your own clustered environment with automatic scaling and load balancing. To learn how to set up a cluster using Zen Server's integration with CloudFormation, watch the next Zen Server on Cloud video. So let's get started. You're now looking at Amazon's Web Services Marketplace, which I've already signed into with my Amazon account. I'm going to search for Zen Server using the search box at the top of the page. Okay, so the top results here are 4 different Amazon AMIs. An AMI is an Amazon machine image and is basically a template that contains a software configuration. In this case, 4 different templates of Zen Server. You can get Zen Server's Professional or Enterprise Edition, and each is available either on Debian or RHEL Linux distributions. So I'm just going to pick the first one on the list here. Here we're getting an overview of the AMI we selected. You've got the pricing details, some general info about the product, and some resources you could check out. Before carrying on, I'd recommend signing up for the Zen Server Cloud support. Just click this link here and fill in your details. You can also get a breakdown of the various available SLAs. Back in the marketplace, I'm going to click Continue, and don't worry, we can review and configure the pricing details later. Okay, so now we're going to configure the AMI launching configurations. You can select the Zen Server version you want to use, the geographic location of the servers to be used in your server deployment, and the instance type. An Amazon instance is a virtual server that runs the application created from the selected AMI. They include a combination of CPU, memory, storage, and basically allow you to choose which mix of resources you use for your applications. Of course, each instance type has a different pricing, so take that into consideration. Next, we're going to select a key pair. A key pair is used for securely accessing Zen Server. If you're just starting with Amazon's Web Services and haven't created a key pair yet, you'll need to create one before continuing. On the right, we're going to review the final pricing overview, and once we're done, we're going to click this Indiscrete Launch button. We now get a nice summary of our installation, and we're going to check out how our deployment's doing by accessing the Amazon Management Console. This console is the main interface for managing and accessing your Zen Server instances. We can see our Zen Server instance up and running, and now we'd like to access the Zen Server user interface. To do this, I'm going to copy the public DNS in the description tab down below, paste it in my browser, and add the port number the Zen Server UI listens on. What we're now seeing is the Zen Server launching wizard. Launching Zen Server is pretty painless. You're going to accept the license agreement, select a launch type. Based on this choice, Zen Server will launch with different system and PHP configuration settings. Enter a password for accessing the Zen Server UI. And in the summary dialog, click Submit to launch Zen Server. Congratulations, you've now got Zen Server up and running on Amazon. You can now deploy packaged applications, enjoy the dashboard statistics, monitoring, caching, and more. For an overview of all the available features, I recommend watching the Zen Server overview video. That's it for now, thanks for watching.